Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off big picture mode on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, the library, community, and your profile. In the middle of the screen, we have the tab where you have your store, new and noteworthy, categories, and the search bar in the very middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn on or off big picture mode on Steam. So turning big picture mode on or off in Steam is a simple process. First of all, launch the Steam client on your computer. To turn on big picture mode, click on big picture mode icon located in the top right corner of the Steam web window. It looks like a square with two arrows pointing diagonally. To turn off a big picture mode, click on exit big picture mode button in the top right corner of the big picture mode interface. This will take you back to the regular Steam interface. If you're using a controller, you can navigate through big picture mode using the controller buttons. If you're using a keyboard, use the arrow keys to move through menus and enter key to select options. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.